This is a revolutionary technology. It is the answer to the largest challenge that humans face today, which is climate change.
What distinguishes ZeroAvia from pretty much every other effort out there is that we have key technologies built in-house. Starts from the fuel cells, goes into power electronics and the electric motors.
If we're going to transition to a clean energy economy and meet our emission reduction goals, then we need to transform transportation, and that's what's happening right here in Everett.
The U.S. has to lead in cutting emissions in the transportation sector, and within that, in the aviation sector. And companies like ZeroAvia and others are taking that lead.
And the ability to have clean source of energy to power our planes and our transportation with zero emissions is answering the single most challenge we have today in this industry, and I could not be more excited.